Hi, we're Team Impactraction, and this is our presentation on our final concept, fund discovery. Over the past 13 weeks, we've worked with a company of our choice to research existing problems and practices, identify any opportunities for improvement, and propose a design solution that supports the company's objective. The company we have chosen is Impactraction. Impactraction is an Ontario-based startup company founded by Ashraful Hassan, an impact evaluator and change management leader. It is often difficult for nonprofit groups and charities to secure funding due to uncertainty about where to look. Through a web application, Impactraction aims to help social entrepreneurs find potential funding, measure and share their social impact, and support their innovation. There are three primary stakeholders involved in the process of Impactraction's service. The entrepreneurs include nonprofit organizations and charities that are seeking funding opportunities. Investors, such as private companies and individuals, provide those funds through grants, loans, or investments by selecting projects of their interest. Impactraction acts as a bridge connecting the two parties. We began our research by meeting with the founder Ashraful and interviewing social entrepreneurs and potential social investors. We also looked into other fundraising platforms such as GoFundMe and Kickstarter and went through some existing applications for government and private grants as a reference. Through our research, we identified 4 key problems. First, we noticed that most applications have similar questions and formats, resulting in a repetitive process for applicants. Additionally, complex terms hinder the applicant's ability to understand and develop a common language with investors. Moreover, newer social enterprises may struggle to build reputation and trust with investors as they have a less established portfolio of past work. Lastly, many social entrepreneurs did not know where to start looking for funding opportunities and felt lost when trying to choose the best option. Based on these findings, we developed our initial design focus to increase the likelihood of social enterprises getting approved for funding by simplifying, accelerating, and improving the quality of applications through Impactraction. From our initial design focus, we came up with 3 design questions. How would we create a more comfortable and flexible application process while reducing the amount of time? How might we improve the overall writing quality of the application to better align with the adjudicator's decision? How can we help social entrepreneurs decide which applications to pursue on Impactraction? To address these design questions, we came up with 3 design concepts. The save and load answers and documents concept reduces repetitive actions by letting applicants reload answers and documents from the library hub. Video responses allow applicants to upload video recordings that answer required questions and include any additional comments. The comparison of funding opportunity concept helps social entrepreneurs make an informed decision by comparing multiple funding opportunities side by side to choose the most suitable one. Through these concepts, we aim to bring value for social entrepreneurs. Saving and loading answers and documents minimizes repetitiveness and reduces the amount of time required to apply. Video responses help applicants build credibility with investors who can see and hear their voice, tone, gestures, and body language. Comparing funding opportunities helps social entrepreneurs select and prioritize opportunities that best align with their values and goals. We conducted a participatory workshop with 2 social entrepreneurs and Ashraful Hassan to complete a series of activities that includes brainstorming, defining key terms, and co-creation. These activities provided insights and feedback on our 3 concepts and allowed participants to take part in revising our solutions. We discovered one key issue that social entrepreneurs face, which is not knowing how to choose the best funding opportunities. From our insights, we moved forward with creating a solution that helps social entrepreneurs filter and sort funding opportunities that best align with their values and goals. Based on these insights, we developed our final design focus to help social entrepreneurs build confidence in selecting funding opportunities that best align with their company and values by minimizing the time spent searching for the right opportunities. Our design solution, Fund Discovery, allows social entrepreneurs to filter, compare, and select funding opportunities on Impactraction. Through an automated process, social entrepreneurs are recommended the best option for each selected funding type in one centralized page. They can also review multiple opportunities side by side through a comparison chart, displaying further information. This reduces the time and effort required when searching for an opportunity that aligns with your values and project. Social entrepreneurs begin searching for funding opportunities by filling in a quick conversational form that aligns their project values and requirements to all possible funding options. They will select from a series of drop-down responses that best represents their project. Once the form is completed, social entrepreneurs can hit See Results. After submitting the form, social entrepreneurs receive suggested funding opportunities for each selected funding type. The options that best align with their project are displayed at the top. If there are more than one suggested funding opportunity, social entrepreneurs can scroll down to view the additional options. To learn more about a funding opportunity, they can click View Details for more information. The detailed view shows additional information about the funder as well as the funding opportunity. Social entrepreneurs can also find details about eligibility, such as the required document and organization requirements. To keep browsing other options, they can close the pop-up to return to the recommendations page. Social entrepreneurs can also compare funding opportunities by selecting up to 3 options, adding them to the comparison cart, and clicking Compare to continue. With the comparison chart, social entrepreneurs can view multiple opportunities side by side. They can find key information such as an expendable overview, deadline, amount, and funding type. They will also find additional details such as the number of recipients, the estimated time to complete the application, and how well their project aligns with the opportunity. Social entrepreneurs can also hover over cues to reveal definitions and additional information. After viewing the chart, they can close the pop-up and return to the recommendations page. To compare other options, social entrepreneurs can clear the entire comparison cart or remove a specific funding opportunity. If a social entrepreneur is not interested in a funding opportunity, they can remove it by clicking the X. After removing a funding option, the next available opportunity is shifted up. For opportunities that may be of interest in the future, social entrepreneurs can bookmark the opportunity for later. From this page, social entrepreneurs can hit Apply Now and begin an application for the selected opportunity. Once they complete the application, they can see their previously bookmarked opportunities by clicking the icon on the top right or navigating using the left sidebar. From here, the social entrepreneur can also view the funding opportunity in detail. After viewing the opportunity, they can close the pop-up to return to the Bookmarks page. Social entrepreneurs can also unbookmark funding opportunities if they realize that it is not the best one to pursue. To return to the Fund Discovery page, they can click Filter Opportunities on the left sidebar. This is the overview of our storyboard. Tony is a social entrepreneur who has a program that assists ex-convicts who are looking to expand and receive a higher level of education. During his free time between meetings, he actively searches for funding opportunities for his program. He launches the Impactraction web application to begin the searching. Before starting, Tony knows that he has limited time before his next meeting and is looking to find an opportunity that best aligns with his program. To begin his research, Tony completes a form and receives a list of suggested funding opportunities that best match his project. He chooses one opportunity to examine in detail. Tony adds 3 funding opportunities of interest to the Compare cart and clicks Compare to continue. With the comparison table, Tony is able to view details about multiple funding opportunities at once. Seeing this information side by side helps him choose the best option for his project. He closes the table and clicks Apply Now to begin his application. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.